Hi, Editing Megan here. This video was originally going to be just like a quick Instagram tutorial, but then I decided not to include the first half because I'm struggling so hard to get tutorials to fit down into 60 seconds for Instagram. So I decided to just end up doing the makeup part for Instagram, but then I didn't want to waste this whole video basically, so I decided to, turn it into a video to post on my channel. But because, like I said, this was all originally meant to be for Instagram, there was no intro. So this is my intro. Hi, how are you doing? I'm Megan. Welcome. This is going to be just my kind of basic, kind of everyday grungy sort of makeup look. But instead of just doing my kind of like eyes like I normally do, this has got like my full like face routine from like moisturizer right up to the end. The only thing that's really different in this tutorial is I didn't stick on lashes today, but that's only because it is like 40 degrees in Australia right now and very hot, and I didn't really want to put lashes on. Honestly, I didn't even really need to put lipstick on, but I did it for the gram. But yeah, this is the tutorial. This is my intro, so if you want to see what I did, then keep watching. Hi, hello. Like I said, this video wasn't meant to be on my channel, so I have to do a voiceover. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm taking my Hemp face protector moisturizer face cream from the Body Shop, and I'm just dotting it on my face, and then I rub that sucker on in. And I don't know how to stop this from recording in between takes. I'm doing great. Hello, welcome back to my mess. Can Jeffree Star Loki sue me for using the hello, welcome back to my blank? Because if you can, Jeffree, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, please don't sue me. Now I'm just taking this SPF 50 sunscreen from Mecca. I really wanted to start using a sunscreen to obviously help protect my skin during summer. And this one's actually really good because it doesn't cast through your makeup. So I like it. This is honestly so awkward. This is why I don't do voiceovers. Oh my god, everyone can just unsubscribe now. Goodbye. Now I'm taking my Australis primer, the original, and I'm rubbing that into my face to, well, prime it. This is actually the only primer that works with my skin. I've tried so many of them in the past, but for some reason this is the only one that works. Now I take my Tarte Face Tape Foundation in 16N Fair Light Neutral and my Jeffree Star Morphe Pink Sponge, and I just dot that all over my face and then blend it in. I just wanted to pop back in and say that, like, I spent a long time blending my foundation out. You can't really tell because it's sped up and cut up here, but I had 5 minutes worth of footage blending my foundation, so blend out, babes. Just blend away. Now taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Beige, I conceal my face, so I go in under my eyes. I do the tip of my nose and down the bridge of my nose. I also do my forehead and then down on my chin. That's just normally where I will conceal and highlight, but if I feel like I need to spot conceal anywhere, I'll do that. I just didn't feel like I needed to this day. And then I take my little mini Jeffree Star Morphe sponge and just use that to blend in under my eyes, and then once again getting the bigger sponge to blend out the rest of it. I'm now taking my Australis Fresh and Flawless Foundation in light beige, and I'm using that to set under my eyes because I like to use a coloured powder under my eyes just because my under eye circles are so dark. And I'm also just setting around my nose and my chin as well. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Marble Brush in number 5. I'm now taking my Jeffree Star Loose Powder, and this is just the translucent one, to set all over my face. I just tip a little bit out into the lid, and then using the Morphe X Jeffree Star brush, the JSC. Yeah, I just lightly tap it in to my face to set my foundation and concealer. To contour, I use the BYS contouring palette, and I use that middle and darkest shade. For the brush, I use the Morphe E4 brush, and I just use that to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline. And then for my nose, I use those same two colors from that same palette, but I use the Morphe E6 2 brush. For my eyebrows, I use the ColourPop gel liner in the shade Cool Cocoa, and I use the Morphe Jeffree Star JS7 brush. I'm now using the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel in dark brown, and I'm just using that to set down my eyebrows. For blush, I'm using this little Revolution blush that I got in an advent calendar. So I'm not sure the exact shade, but yeah, I'm just getting that and putting that on my cheeks and also lightly brushing it onto my nose. For highlight, I'm using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Princess Cut, and I'm just putting that on my cheeks, on my nose, on my brow bone, pretty much everywhere because I love to highlight. And I'm doing that with the Jeffree Star Morphe JS4 brush. Normally I actually do this last. This is like my last step of my makeup, but like I said, this was originally for Instagram, so I did it at this point in the tutorial. But yeah, I normally highlight is my last step of my makeup routine. So for my eyes today, I am using the Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson Mini Controversy palette. And to start off with, I'm taking a Morphe M441. I'm taking the color Diet Root Beer, and I'm blending that into my crease and also my lower lash line. Again, with a Morphe M441 brush, I'm taking the color My Apology, and I'm blending that into my crease again, slightly on my lower lash line, and focusing it on the outer third of my eye, and lightly kind of blending that into my eyelid. And then just blending that all together with the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS5 brush. Now with a Morphe M456 brush, I'm taking the color Exposed and putting that on the inner corner of my eye, and then bringing it up to my eyelid and blending that into My Apology. I'm now taking the color My Boyfriend's Purse on a Morphe M431 brush and putting that on my inner corner. I'm now taking this Revolution black eyeliner pencil, and again, I just got this from an advent calendar, so I don't know if there's like a specific name for it, but it's just like a black kohl pencil basically. I'm going to be rubbing that like up along my lash line, smudging it out with the Morphe M149 brush. I'm now using my Too Faced Better Than Sex and Diamonds mascara and just doing a few coats on my upper lashes and also my lower lashes. As much as I like to think I'm the like self-proclaimed queen of lashes, I don't always wear them, and like I said at the start of this video, it's a very hot day, so I didn't feel like having fake lashes on, but you can totally chuck on a pair now if you'd like to. For my lips now, I'm taking the Revolution lip liner, and I think the color is Chauffeur from memory. Probably should have checked, but I'm just taking that and I am lining my lips with it. I'm now taking my little mini Jeffree Star liquid lip in the shade Mannequin, and I'm just putting that on. I'm now taking the Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray, and this is in, well, I was about to say the shade. The scent is Starberry, and it smells amazing, so I'm just setting my face with that. And this is the final look. Like I said, it's just a quick kind of everyday grunge sort of eye. And yeah, so now here comes editing Megan to do an outro. Hi, this is the end of the tutorial. Like I said, This wasn't planned to be on my channel, so this is the outro. If you liked that video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. This is so bad. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comment section below. If you'd like to follow me or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!